What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. Got another What's in the Box video for you. Today we're looking at the Tamiya 124th scale Honda Ballade Sports Mugen CRX Pro. That's quite a mouthful, but not much in this kit. I'll tell you right now, it's pretty light. There's not much to it. It is a curbside, highly accurate display, detailed undersurface, realistic interior, which means there's nothing in there. But who cares? So cool. Man, I'm really looking forward to building this. We're going to crack it open and take a look at what's inside. I worked at a Honda dealership as a detailer, lot boy, back when these were brand new.
So I got that going for me, which is nice.
I remember taking these, having them off the truck, fresh off the truck from San Francisco Bay, off the boat, into our lot. We would strip the plastic off the seats, off the interiors, off the exteriors, all the bigger chunks, and drive them to the car wash, run them through the car wash real quick, and then drive them back to the lot and start the detail process. I got to bang gears in brand new CRXs, I don't know how many times and how many days. It was the best time ever. Loved it. Loved the cars. They were awesome. Man, I always thought those poor people that bought those things, they had no idea. But, you know, I'm fairly certain they made it. They all made it back to the yard. I didn't know that much anyway. Like I said, there's not much to this thing. There's really low parts count. It's essentially a curbside that has, like I said, a detailed undercarriage, you know, meaning that it's got separate components so you can paint up the K-member and the all the rest of it that, you know, you can paint different colors of aluminum and metal. Really, really simple build. So much so that I think this will be my next one coming up. Wow, look at that body. Doesn't that just look great? I'm not going to take it out of the plastic. We're not going to go that far because, like I just said, this is going to be the next build on the channel. One reason being because I just love them so much. You can hear I talked about them that, man, I'll have to see. I'll get a hold of a buddy of mine and see if he has any pictures of us working there. That would be super cool. Marin Honda, Marin County. Nice clean decals. Definitely going to be using those, and I will be building it just like the box. I have enough white on hand and some clear and, you know, good decals, and they just look so good like that in this this Mugen livery. So that's about it. Just a quick one. Let you know that this is going to be coming up next build. I mean, there's really not much point in taking it out and showing you what's in the bag. There's, you know, nothing in the bag. Some good looking tires and some awesome looking wheels that's going to make this thing look cool. I've got this guy, this little guy here.
Oh, that little guy. I wouldn't worry about that little guy.
I'm going to do a quick post-build review on that. That'll be coming up soon too. So I'm going to get this one on the bench, and that way I can get it in the tally for this year's builds. I don't want to start anything too extreme, something like that, and, you know, maybe not be able to finish it by the end of December. This one for sure. So that way I can kind of take my time and do other projects as well. So that's about it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Look forward to this one coming soon.